Hey guys, what's going on? Sitting here in the chair and stuff like that, trying to get y'all some footage downloaded here to entertain y'all guys, and I accidentally deleted the first half of this video of yesterday. But it does show that, me installing the parts and stuff like that and everything in this 99 Chevy Suburban, or GMC Suburban. So I very apologize for the first half of this footage to get erased, but you still see the installation of the cluster, and you still see the installation of the oh shit, I'll think of the word for a minute. Well, hell, y'all see it in there. I'm brain dead, guys. I'm frozen. I'm gonna go warm up. Y'all guys have a good one. Later. All right, guys, we are back. All right, got a couple parts today. I was kind of off camera messing around with this thing a little bit. Look at that. Whew. That's an expensive little fucker right there. Okay, and then I also found that there's a problem with the blower motor resistor. So we're going to be replacing that today too. Yeah, that's always fun. All right, first thing we'll do is we'll do this first. I figure the blower motor resistor is only another 25 bucks. Might as well go ahead and get that done too. After the next damn thing going out. Oh God, if I get in here. Okay. Oh my God, guys, y'all just have, well, I don't know. Texas is actually getting, actually down south is actually getting what we get up here, so. But, tell you the truth, I'd rather have the snow than the cold. To me, it's cold. What in the hell? Okay. Kind of not been a long. Wow, look at this, guys. This thing's just brittle as shit. Look at that. Yeah, this thing's most definitely garbage. And I know this thing's been replaced before because this clip over here was, this side over here was broke when I was taking this apart. So I think what this is a junkyard replacement. Well, this thing is so brittle, it's not even funny. Well, I'm pretty sure that this is a junkyard replacement. Wow, everything on this thing is just so brittle. All right. Yep, I'm pretty positive that's a junkyard replacement. Oh. All right. Go with this. Brand spanky new. We're going to look at the prongs and all the connections on this stuff because Chevrolet does like to have a problem with burnt wires. Oh, that looks good here. Oh, nothing popped off and broke in my face. Look at all this. Looks like everything on here is really good. This one here. That looks really good. There it is. All right, guys. Now we just reverse the process of putting this thing on here, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. Got that back in. I know a lot of people don't take this out, this bottom piece out. They just kind of, yank on this and stuff like that. You can break this bottom piece if you don't be careful. Okay, now See if it works. Ooh, well, we sure don't need AC. Ooh. Look at that. So that was a problem, but I'm still going to replace that resistor because I know better. Hey, there's my damn gloves. Been looking for those. Okay. All right, let's get out of this. All right, and then we just got to put all these screws back together as y'all seen, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I had to go get a shorty 7mm because I forgot that you need a shorty to get that one over there. And yes, it is a pain in the ass. So I should just lift up on out of here. I say it should lift up on out of here. Ow. Alright, you just have to pretty much just put your hand in there like this and fight it. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at there, that green crusty's right there on that.
Okay, alright.
Oh yeah, that's a good thing we changed that, because it was, yep, I knew it. Okay. Hey, that wasn't bad.
You got a flashlight or something for in there?
No, I got one. Okay. Alright. There we just go over there. Put somewhere. There we go. Alright, I just gotta make sure it goes the right way. I might have to use both. There it is.
Alright.
Oh, that thing is a pain in the ass. But it works. It's good. Alright, that's it. Goodbye. Alright, guys. Holy hell. Oh, that was rough. We got that done and everything. Everything's working and stuff like that. I knew there was that cluster, but boy, I'll tell you what. When you had $200 laying on top of a part and stuff like that, I don't give a damn how good you are. You always got that thought in the back of your mind, did I diagnose this motherfucker right? But I did. I'm glad I changed that resistor, as y'all seen on the deal. It did have a little bit of greenish going on. I think it's been replaced before though. But for some reason, I don't know why them damn Chevrolet heater boxes collect so much moisture, but they do. Those damn things rust badly up here. And damn, bro, you're driving a little too damn fast going down this road. Shit. That's how people wind up in the ditches. Yeah, we're still got shit ton of snow. Alright, guys. Little Cadillac buried. That's where it belongs. Alright, guys. I'm going to get off of here. I hope y'all like this footage. Share, like, and subscribe. And remember, keep it dirty. Later.